Lunchbox, if we accidentally catch him, don't put his face on the video. So we're headed up above Heber, in between Heber and Francis, up above Jordanelle, to get a Rivian. Looks like a pretty cool Rivian. It's an R1S, and got a little stuck in the mud. These roads, it looks like, have been kind of tore up by tractors. As you can see, which makes them really soft. And they're totally fine when they're dry, but you get some wetness on them and you got a lot of hidden ruts and soft spots that you can dip down into. So we're gonna head up and hopefully have a good time finding this thing.
That would make sense if it was rutted and then the bulldozer went over it.
Just took the top off.
So, cause yeah, this stuff that they move is all super soft.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We can probably let the dogs out and let them run. We're moving slower now.
Who let the dogs out?
Dad, or
Dad.
maybe Mom. Oh, they're coming. Yeah, could you feel how soft that was
Good suspension.
when we hit the bank?
Oh yeah, when we came into it. Wow. Right over the sagebrush.
Oh, he'll clear 6 feet and not even try at it. This is the most fun those dogs have. They love running in the mountains.
This is a perfect spot for them. There you go.
And they're both going.
Empty the tank, run.
They've been cooped up in the car for an hour.
Yeah, you can see me.
Yeah, there it is. There she is, boys. Take this, Ben?
Yep.
Go take a look.
There's a lot of clay in this. You can see how slick it is, how much it just soups up down in there. First thing we'll have to do is move all of the sticks. If you don't have real knobby tires, sticks aren't going to help. There's nothing to grab. They just spin, and then it's one more thing that it has to climb to get up and out. Look at the cute little mud poops it made. Look at that. That's so weird.
That is going to be a new Ben quote. Look at the cute little mud poops it made. Look at the cute little mud poops.
Uh-huh. Get all these cleared out. This is gonna be super soft through here. I think we're definitely gonna want to pull out backwards, get it turned around. Are always our go-to because they're so nicely made. They don't tear up the ropes, the soft shackles, but they're super strong. And if you've got a good trailer hitch, they work awesome.
Live fast and yank hard.
Oh, you found one?
I still need one for there. Okay, I'm gonna do pretty easy.
Okay.
So let's start with a static pull.
I'm gonna try not to spin it so it'll kind of lift up and out instead of just dragging.
Dogs are taking a bath. Went right home.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Like, definitely was just an old rut because it's dry in the middle.
Yeah. Yeah, you can tell right where the tire just sank and there was just nothing. Like there's no bottom there. That's nasty. Ew, look at it. Dad, bring the camera over and see it
It's running
flowing down in, filling the gap where the tire was. Look at that.
It is thick.
I mean, you could see the difference in the kinetic and the static. I mean, it almost pulled it out static. It was moving a little bit. But once you give it that little bit of pop, I mean, you can see
Don't just film me.
it smooth getting out.
Meet you on the road.
Yeah, get turned around.
Do you have a particular place you want to turn around?
It looks like might have to back up a
Can I
while to
get
get
up
to a
that
white
way?
spot.
Like she did?
Yeah, probably. I mean, this is good.
She's still in two-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I should be fine.
We'll pull up and out of the way. Like turn around. Got him.
Looking good, just like you are. Couple more feet, right there. That's good.
Sure is quiet.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good. That was easy. That's good. Look at-
Do I take the GoPro down now?
Yeah. Give it a thumbs up and say thanks for watching.
You overestimate my height.
No, just give it and say thanks for watching.
I can't
Or
reach
be
that.
sarcastic and say, well, that was the hardest recovery we've ever done. Thanks for watching.
I don't know what to jump. What?
Shut
Here.
up.
There you go.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching.